To import a DXF file, go to File menu, Import, DXF. This will open the BIM link in DXF import mode. Click the ellipsis button and navigate to the DXF file to import and click OK. Adjust the number of circle divisions to apply to DXF arcs. The number of divisions will determine the smoothness of arcs in an imported section. For large arcs, you may need to increase the number of divisions to create smooth curves. To reduce computation time for sections containing many small arcs, you may need to decrease the number of divisions. When you are ready to import, click Next. The DXF file information is displayed in the wizard, and a preview of what is going to be imported is displayed in the visual editor. Many DXF files do not define a length unit, or the length unit of the file may be incorrect. Change the length unit to tell S-CALC what units the model is in. Adjust your tolerance if you are importing small shapes or shapes with tight curves. DXF files may contain many layers, and the sections you want to import may be in individual layers, in layers with other unwanted objects, or spread over many layers. We will need to exclude layers, lines, and polygons we do not want, and we also need to explain how to import the lines and polygons for each layer. To exclude a layer from import, uncheck the Active checkbox. For active layers, set how you would like to import the lines and polygons in the layer using the Import As dropdowns. To exclude lines or polygons in a layer from import, set Import As to None. There are three ways to import each layer: as Global Section, where every included layer is imported into one composite global section; as Layer Section, where each layer is imported into its own section; or as individual sections, where each shape in a layer is imported into its own section. In this example, each layer contains one section, so I will assign the lines and polygons of each layer to import as Layer Section. If you have unwanted lines or polygons in a particular layer, you can view details of the layer lines and polygons before importing. Click on the Lines or the Polygons tab. From here you have control over which individual lines or polygons to import. Uncheck anything you do not want to import. You can check and uncheck ranges by holding down the left mouse button, dragging across checkboxes, and then letting go of the mouse button. Double-clicking the active header will toggle all of the checkboxes off and on. When you are done choosing what to import, click the Import button at the bottom of the screen. Click Done to return to S-CALC. During the import process, S-CALC does not determine which polygons and lines are forming holes, so you will need to adjust the shapes accordingly. Update each section, select the shapes that are holes, and check Is Hole.